Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the taste of sea salt emotes in Heartopia. So in this week 3 riddle movie guide, you can actually get 2 free emotes like this. And to unlock them, you need to find and pop the special bubbles hidden on map. And to get this taste of sea salt emote, just go to the fishing village, especially on here near the NPC bill, this one. And then after that you will notice this bubble, and then next just pop it like this, and then you will get this special emotes, this one, taste of sea salt. You can just check the emotes menu and then you will get this one. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.